Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather. Thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be making some keto comfort food, some keto nachos. You know, for the game, the Super Bowl, midnight snack, pretty much whenever, because you can make this in under 10 minutes with real chips. Can I get an amen? Want to know how I do it? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so I'm sure everybody has heard of these chips, but if you're new to keto or new to low carb this year, because you're trying to get healthy this year, you may not know about this. And chips is one of those things that on the keto diet is, kind of not allowed, and you can try and make them. And I've got a really good cracker recipe, but as far as really good chips, not so much. But Quest has these protein style chips. They are 4 carbs for the entire bag. And this one is the loaded taco flavor. I get these on Amazon because you can get them in a box, and per bag they end up cheaper than if you go to like a GNC or a Sprouts or something like that. They also have the nacho flavor, which is great, and the Cool Ranch, I think. I wish they would come out with just like a sea salt one of these where it didn't have a flavor. That would be ideal. But when you're making nachos, this or the nacho ones are my favorite. So stay tuned to how I do this, because these are a little bit delicate, especially when you're gonna broil them, because they burn real easy. So I'm gonna take you into my kitchen and show you how to do it. Okay, so these are the Quest protein chips, the loaded taco ones. I'll have that linked. I'm just using a cake pan and parchment paper. Make sure you use that. Dumped it in there, and now I'm going to take it over to the ground beef that I have made. You can get the fancy brand taco seasoning. It has no carbs in it, but I just used my own seasoning and spices for this one. And then I'm going to just dump that on top of the chips generously. And after that, I'm going to go over and add the cheese. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you completely cover the exposed chips with cheese. I did not do that on this one, but it works a lot better because the edges of those chips are real delicate because of the ingredients in them, and they need to be covered or else they will burn. The edges will burn. So just those edges that are exposed here, you can see, make sure that they are totally covered with a layer of cheese. And who doesn't want more cheese anyway? All right, we're going to put this in the broiler. I've got it on broil, and you're going to want to watch this real closely because it does not take very long for this to melt down. You just want the cheese to be nice and melted. It will burn if you leave it in there. For my oven, it only takes about a minute, if that, depending on how much cheese you've got on there. And that is it. You're going to pull that out once you're done and top it with salsa, sour cream, guacamole, whatever toppings that you like on top, and you will be good to go. It is so easy. The longest process is just making meat. If you just wanted cheese nachos, this would be even shorter. You could literally make this in 2 minutes. But for me, it's making a full meal, and so I did put the meat on there. If you're doing lazy keto, you could even add some black beans to that. But that's it. It's done. That's what it looks like, topped with some stuff, and it is so fabulous. Okay, that's it. Super simple. Just make sure that you really cover the chips, the exposed chips on the top, with cheese so that when you put it in the broiler, you're not burning those edges. And then watch it closely because it really only takes a minute, if that, depending on your broiler, to get them nice and bubbly. You're just really melting the cheese on top. And they are so amazing. The one bag really is filling because of all the protein that is in the chips. And then when you add meat to it and cheese to it and sour cream and guac and salsa and whatever else you want to put on it, it really is filling. I'm stuffed by the time I eat one of those. And just use that parchment paper too so that nothing sticks. So that's it for this video. I hope that you found this useful and helpful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who you think might need some keto comfort food. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See ya.